भारत, ये 4 अक्षर वाले शब्द के पीछे से छिपकर झांक रहा एक अवर्णनीय इतिहास। संस्कृति की विशेषता से लेकर बंधुत्व से भरा आदर इस देश ने न ही कभी भीतर छोड़ा और न ही कभी उसके बारे में सोचा। Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were associated with the Indian freedom struggle from a young age and thus were on the target of the British government for a long. Bhagat Singh, the charismatic socialist freedom fighter, was born in Banga village of Faisalabad district, now in Pakistan's Punjab province, in 1907. His 2 acts of violence against the Britishers and subsequent executive at the age of 23 made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. Singh became actively involved in India's freedom movement at an early age after quitting formal education at the age of 13. He left home for Kanpur after his parents tried to get him married. The trio of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev had vowed to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, the famous Indian freedom fighter who was a part of the legendary Lal Bal Pal trio. Rai, who is famously known as Punjab Kesari, was killed by the Britishers during a peaceful protest march against the Simon Commission in Lahore in November 1928. Later, in December that year, the trio of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev planned to assassinate John Scott, the Assistant Superintendent of Police, who had ordered the lathi charge against the peaceful march of Rai. However, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev mistakenly assassinated John Saunders. Later, they escaped to Calcutta to avoid getting arrested by the British police. In April next year, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt bombed the Central Assembly Hall in Delhi, after which they were arrested. The trio was later sentenced to death by the British government. Initially, they were supposed to be hanged on March 24, 1931, but the British government preponed the date to March 23, 1931. Bhagat Singh was 23, Rajguru was 22 and Sukhdev was 23 when they were hanged to death at Lahore Central Jail. Thus, in the honor of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, Shaheed Divas is observed in India on March 23 every year. Besides inspiring the individuals for making the freedom a necessity, they have also provoked the thoughts of youth, screaming, "Freedom won't pave a way for you until you start walking towards it." इस 75 साल के अमृत महोत्सव का उत्सव तो हम निश्चित मनाएंगे, परंतु 2 क्षण निकालकर क्या हम उन स्वतंत्र सेनानियों को धन्यवाद शब्दों में कर पाएंगे?